How to fix emoji not showing on Messenger application. So in order to fix your issue, first of all launch App Store or Google Play Store. I'm gonna launch Google Play Store. Once you come here, go to search and then directly search for Messenger. Tap on the application. Now over here, instead of the option of open, if you see the option of update, tap on it so that you update Messenger app to its latest version, which in turn would fix all the app errors and bug issues. You can also tap on uninstall and then reinstall Messenger app again. Now for another step, open settings. From here, scroll down below and go to Apps. From here, you can directly search for Messenger. Once you come here, scroll down below and go to Storage. From here, at the bottom right, go ahead and tap on Clear Cache. Now, for another step, just go back. Go to Settings page. From here, scroll down below and tap on Software Update. Check if your phone has latest software update or not. If you see one, go ahead and tap on Download and Install and update your phone's software to its latest version in order to fix your issue. So that's all for today's video, and at last, don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel.